in the Mercedes 190 turbo diesel, and so far so good. We made it 20 miles so far. Nothing works in this car. The speedometer doesn't work. The tachometer works. I have no idea what goes there. None of that stuff works. None of that stuff works. No power windows. It's pretty much a hoopty, but I'm gonna go ahead and get her going again. So let's see what's going on here. And fuel gauge is getting kind of angry, so before I go home I'm going to top off the tank with a couple of gallons. I think the guy said the car hasn't been driven in 4 years, so it runs good and it moves good. Transmission shifts great. It rides really nice. The roads here in Michigan suck, so it's all over the place, but that's the roads, not the car. And that's pretty much it. So there you go.